and good evening for people from India. So I'm thinking, we'll start this another 1 minute. The agenda could be, I would quickly give an introduction of what we do at Imaginea, followed by a technical presentation from Reddy Raja, my colleague, who is the Director Cloud Computing and SaaS practice at Imaginea. So basically what we're trying to do here is to share our experiences and recommendations in terms of leveraging the expertise that we have gathered for building applications on the cloud over a period of time, ever since Amazon EC2 came all the way through. So with that, I'm going to take off and explain you what we do at Imaginea. My name is Sai. I head the marketing at Imaginea. Imaginea basically is the services brand of Crowthy Technology, first generation product software company out of India. The company boasts of the first JE 1.3 app server all the way back in 1998. And then Imaginea specializes in providing offshore product development services. And then we claim to be specialists in SaaS engineering, cloud computing, and performance architecture and engineering. Apart from REST interface, Web2 applications, Salesforce.com, Facebook applications, and end-to-end cloud engineering and deployment services. We as a company headquartered in Sunnyvale in California, and then we have engineering centers based out of Hyderabad and Chennai. Our global headquarters and the head office is at Hyderabad. Over a period of time, we have significant track record of serving ISV customers, many names that you want to hear, with 250 global enterprises over the period of time. And we are a 250 plus strong technology-driven team with strong brand recognition for having product mindset and technology evangelism. Our technology landscape, in terms of what we have as expertise, start all the way from open source programming languages, and our people are experts in Java technologies. Many people of us serve the standard forums in Java. A lot of contribution to tools and frameworks like Eclipse. We have proven service-oriented architecture and web frameworks and development tools expertise. Over the period of time, we've been pioneers in adopting Web2, social media, iPhone applications, and Salesforce.com, along with extreme focus on cloud. In essential, what we do is we provide end-to-end product engineering services all the way from co-product development to offshore development centers for some of the best names. This could include developing social media applications, software architecture and modernization, cloud enablement, SOA and SaaS engineering. Then we are extremely focused on virtualization, security, then market acceleration through on-demand testing services. So in essential, that's about Imaginea. Let me take a couple of more minutes to explain why Imaginea for cloud computing before I hand off this to my colleague Reddy. So as I was explaining, we are one of the earliest adopters of cloud computing, particularly Amazon EC2 Fabric. And then we were one of the first guys to build a product on EC2 all the way back. And then over a period of time, we have built around 3 to 4 products which are strongly going on EC2. And I don't think I require anything other than a word from Dinesh Vadia to tell about us. So, and what we also do is we have this Imaginea labs which are extremely focused on cloud, where we try to bring all the expertise that we leverage in terms of our own experience of building and managing products on the cloud, and all the way to cloudifying and SaaS enabling our ISV products and applications. Our people also teach distinguished cloud computing and distributed architecture courses at premier institutes of computer science excellence in and around India. So that makes us extremely confident in terms of our abilities to build applications over the cloud, leverage some of the best practices, and the way we have solved these challenges, and we want to share some of those experiences. With that, I want to summarize that we have capability to do comprehensive cloud lifecycle management, be it all the way from architecture, engineering, implementation. We could help someone migrate the entire stack onto the cloud. We could help them deploy and finally identify and analyze and monitor the apps on the cloud. When I say cloud, we understand the entire cloud fabric from being a software design to hosting stuff. So with that, I kind of take a break. I hand over this to Reddy, who's a Director of Cloud Computing and SaaS Practice, who will share some of the challenges, experiences, and recommendations we want to bring onto the table, leveraging the strong and rich experience of us building applications for the cloud with the comprehensive treatise of real-life use cases that we have seen. Over to Reddy. I am on the line.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me everyone? Can someone say yes? Okay, cool. So I am Reddy Raja, working for Imaginea Technologies. My areas of work are cloud engineering,